students, welcome back to English class with me, Miss Rani. So how are you? Hopefully that all of you are in a good condition. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Amen. Are you ready to study? Let me ask you some questions. Have you ever made a cake or something? What do you have to prepare before you make it? Of course, there are some steps that we have to do, right? That's why we are going to learn about procedure text. So we will learn about what is the definition of procedure text, the social function, the generic structure, and also the language features. So after you learn, I hope that you can understand and also you can identify about the social function, the generic structure, and also the language features. Now, please pay attention to this video. Chloe, do you like sandwich?
Yes.
Ya, Chloe suka sandwich. Jadi kita mau buat apa Chloe ini? Sandwich. So, we are going to make a simple sandwich. What are the ingredients? Bahan-bahannya apa saja? We need, ini apa namanya?
Roti.
2 pieces of bread, fried egg, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, and cheddar cheese. First, place a piece of bread on the plate. Second, put the mayonnaise on the bread. Ayo gue. Oke, taruh apa? Mayonnaise.
Ini apa?
Mayonnaise ini namanya. Then add tomato, fried egg, and also cheddar cheese. Don't forget to put the lettuce. And next, cover with a slice of bread. Use a knife and cut into a triangle shape. Finally, serve it, and it's really delicious. Okay, Louis, mau coba? Louis, enak, delicious? Have you seen the video? So, what do you think about a procedure text? What is the definition of procedure text? A procedure text is a text that explains how to make or do something. The examples of procedure text are recipe, manual instruction, or direction. The social function is to describe how something done completely through a sequence of steps. The generic structure of procedure text are: first, goal or aim; second, materials or ingredients we need to make a procedure text; and third is a steps. What are the language features of procedure text? There are some language features related to procedure text. First, usually we use imperative sentence. Second, use action verbs. Third, we use connective. Fourth, we use adverbial phrase. And the last one, use simple present tense. So after you see the video, let's identify about the generic structure and also the language features from the procedure text. So, what is the goal? Yes, the goal is how to make a sandwich. And what the materials? The materials are bread, fried egg, mayonnaise, tomato, lettuce, and cheddar cheese. And what about the steps? There are 6 steps. So, what about the steps? Look at the text. Let's study about the language features. The prosedur text use imperative sentence. What imperative sentence that we can find in the video? Yes, place a piece of bread. Put the mayonnaise. Add tomatoes, cheddar cheese, and fried egg. Cut into triangle shape. Serve it. What are action verbs that we use? Place, put, cover, cut, and serve. And what about the connective? There are the word first, second, after that, then, and finally. Is there any adverbial phrase? Yes. For example, on the video, we can find the word on the plate, with a knife. That is the examples of adverbial phrase. All sentences are using simple present tense. After paying attention on my explanation, do you understand about the prosedur text? To check your understanding, please do the assignment that I already given in the Schoology. Please identify a prosedur text. You have to write the goal, the ingredients, and also the steps based on the text. That's the end of our lesson today. I hope that you can understand about the materials and also you can do the exercise well. Thank you for your attention. Stay healthy and keep spirit. See you!